So Samsung has officially started rolling out the June 2026 security patch to the Galaxy devices, and this month's update is actually much more interesting than a typical security update. So while most security patches usually focus on the bug fixes, security improvements, Samsung is doing something different for the Galaxy S25 users. So the company is bringing 3 Galaxy AI features that were previously exclusive to the Galaxy S26 series. So today we're going to take a detailed look at everything included in the June 2026 update. All 3 new AI features arriving on the Galaxy S25 series, and we'll compare the experience with my Galaxy S26 Ultra. So what's especially interesting is that my S26 Ultra only received a standard security update, while my spare S25 Ultra gained entirely new features. So let's dive in and see exactly what's new. First, let's talk about the update itself on the S26 Ultra. So the June 2026 security patch is rolling out globally and comes in at roughly 565 megabyte. Although the exact size may vary depending on your region, carrier, and device model. According to Samsung, this update focuses on 4 major areas: system stability improvements, performance enhancements, battery optimization, and security features. So Samsung says the update improves overall device reliability, makes day-to-day usage smoother while also addressing several underlying issues that users may never directly notice. Battery optimization is also part of the package. Now, don't expect a dramatic increase in battery life overnight, but Samsung regularly adjusts background processes and system services to improve efficiency over time. Performance tuning is also included as well, which means animations, app launching, multitasking, and overall responsiveness should feel a little more refined after the installation. So we'll go ahead and install this update on the S26 Ultra. So after installing the June 2026 update on my S26 Ultra, I immediately checked for new features, hidden settings, or changes. And honestly, I couldn't find anything major. So the update appears to be primarily focused on security fixes, stability improvements, and performance optimization. So that's because the 3 new AI features Samsung is now bringing to the S25 series were already available on the S26 lineup. So the S26 owners aren't really gaining new functionality this month. They're simply receiving maintenance, improvements, and security enhancements. Meanwhile, the S25 series is getting something much more exciting. Now on the S25 Ultra, here the update size is 937 megabyte and the version number ends with ACZF1. And this is a security patch level 5th June 2026. So I've already installed this on my S25 Ultra, and now we'll go ahead and look at the AI features. So the first major addition is called Prioritize Notifications. So you'll find them in Galaxy AI, Notification Highlights, and here you have Prioritize Notifications. This is already turned on by default. So let's be honest, we all receive too many notifications. So between WhatsApp, Telegram, Gmail, Instagram, and many more, all the important messages can easily get buried. So Samsung's new Galaxy AI feature attempts to solve this problem. So using the on-device intelligence, the phone analyzes incoming notifications and identifies which one are likely to be most important. So those notifications are then placed at the top of your notification panel. So for example, a message from a family member, important work email, or a banking alert may be prioritized over a random social media notification. So this means less scrolling, less chance of missing something important. What I like about this feature is that it works automatically. So you don't have to manually organize notifications or create complicated rules. The AI simply learns and adapts to your usage pattern. And honestly, after using it for a few days, it makes the notification panel feel much more cleaner. Now, the second feature is Summaries Notification. And this might be my favorite addition. So if you ever opened your phone after being away for an hour and found 20 notifications from the same group chat, you know how annoying it can be. So instead of showing every individual messages, Galaxy AI can generate a concise summary of that group chat. So rather than reading 10 separate notifications, you'll see a quick overview explaining what the conversation is about. So this can save a huge amount of time. Imagine being in several active group chats throughout the day. When you come back to your phone, Galaxy AI can quickly tell you what happened without forcing you to read every single message. So Samsung is essentially turning notification overload into a quick digest. And for busy users, I think this feature could become one of the most useful Galaxy AI tools available. Now, the third feature is called Show File Summaries. So this feature lives inside Samsung's My Files application. And if you regularly work with documents, PDFs, notes, and voice recordings, this could be incredibly useful. So instead of opening a long PDF scrolling through dozens of pages, Galaxy AI can generate a quick summary of the document. It identifies key points and presents a condensed version of the content. So before reading the full document, you can immediately understand what it's all about. So here we'll go ahead and tap on 3 dots, tap on settings, scroll down, and you want to switch on this feature, show file summaries. So you get short AI-powered summaries of PDF and text files. So this also shows summary created for recordings in Voice Recorder. So PDF and text files are processed only on your phone. So go ahead and switch this feature on. And now when you go ahead and open up documents, you'll see your PDFs and text files have summaries in them. Unfortunately, I have just switched it on, so it hasn't really indexed those PDFs and text files yet. So you won't see it. But if you look at my S26 Ultra, this is an example what you'll see. So this is how the summaries are displayed just underneath the file. So here, a model tenancy agreement for assured short hold tenancy in England, a quick start guide for the Samsung device. So it also works with text files and even voice recorder transcript. So if you've recorded a meeting, lecture, interview, or brainstorming session, Galaxy AI can summarize the transcript and help you quickly find important information. So this is one of those features that sounds simple at first, but once you start using it, you realize how much time it can save. So when you look at these 3 additions together, you can see a common theme. They're all designed to reduce information overload. So prioritize notification helps you focus on what's important. Summarize notification helps you process conversation faster. And show file summaries helps you understand documents without reading every single page. So these aren't just flashy upgrades or benchmark improvements. They're practical tools that can genuinely improve everyday productivity. And that's why I think this is one of the most meaningful updates Samsung has released for the S25 series since launch. So overall, I think Samsung deserves credit here. So instead of keeping these AI tools locked up to the latest flagship like the S26 series, they're bringing them to older premium devices. So that makes the Galaxy S25 series a much better value and shows Samsung's commitment to expanding Galaxy AI across its ecosystem. So if you own an S25, this is definitely an upgrade you'll want to install as soon as possible. Let me know down in the comments, have you received the June 2026 update yet? And which one of these 3 AI features are you most excited to try about? So if you enjoyed this comparison between the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Galaxy S26 Ultra, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.